Hey guys, Coach here. Welcome to this week's Plant of the Week. I am covering a extremely hardy perennial, one that, as you can see, just bursts forth in spring. One of the northern tier harbingers of spring. Here it is in the second week of May, first week of May, and if this was planted in the ground, it would still be a little while yet before we'd see color. From the growers down in zone 7 or 8, they're already pushed out, and I'm kind of acclimating them here. This is perennial Creeping Phlox, and it is a hardy number. Down to zone 3, up to zone 9, never seen it in the deep south or SoCal area. It might do okay, but it really likes the cold, dormant temperatures of winter. And boy, do I have that for it up here in northern Maine. So, Creeping Phlox. This one here is emerald pink. They come in a variety of colors, and you can find them from purples to whites to pinks to lavenders, and they are hardy. The only thing they cannot tolerate is super wet, non-draining soil. They don't do really well in that. I have found, using them a time or two, they do very well when it comes to feeding them at planting time and feeding them halfway through the season. You can also do quite a number after a year or two. You can come in and take little snippets of it and propagate it very easily. Make sure you don't violate any laws as far as propagation and patents and that kind of stuff. Make sure they're open to propagation, and I think that's just don't ask, don't tell. But Creeping Phlox, this one in particular is the emerald pink, and it is going on the back hillside. It is going a little bit more out here. We have some other ones that we are going to put out, and I really want to fill this in this year quite a bit. It was 4 feet high in snow, and now you can see it. Everything is starting to emerge. Man, I am in my wheelhouse right about now. Don't forget, check out Creeping Phlox. It is a drought-tolerant, hardy, deer-resistant perennial that'll last you for many years. And as you can see in front of me, I got a few to get in the ground. Anyway, Coach here, Plant of the Week, Creeping Phlox. See you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Bye for now.